Hey winners! Are you ready to supercharge your investment game? Forget clunky apps and slow websites. Today, I'm showing you how to unlock instant access to the Waanverse Investment Network with WIN Lite. WIN Lite is our brand new progressive web app, a PWA. What's that mean? It means you get all the power of a native app, without the App Store download. Think lightning fast speed, offline access, and a beautiful, full-screen experience. We all know the frustration, right? You're trying to make a crucial investment move, but your app is lagging. Or your browser is cluttered with a million tabs. WIN Lite solves all of that. It's like having a dedicated investment app, right on your home screen, ready to go in a flash. The full Waanverse Investment Network platform is now live, giving you incredible investment opportunities. And while our full mobile apps are on the way, you don't have to wait to experience the power of WIN. You can get that app-like experience right now with WIN Lite. Let me show you how incredibly easy it is to install. iPhone users, Safari. Let's get WIN Lite on your iPhone. It's super simple. Open Safari and head to app.waancapital.com. Tap that share button, the little square with the arrow pointing up. Scroll down and find Add to Home Screen. Tap it. Tap Add in the top right corner. And bam! WIN Lite is now on your home screen, ready to rock. Android users, Chrome Android, you're up. This is just as easy. Open Chrome and go to app.waancapital.com. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. You'll see either Install App or Add to Home Screen. The wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version, but it'll be one of those. Tap it. Confirm, and you're done. WIN Lite is now on your home screen, giving you instant access to your investments. See? Super easy. No matter what device you're on, you can have WIN Lite installed in seconds. But why WIN Lite instead of just using the website in your browser? Let's break it down. Blazing fast performance, it's way faster than a regular website. Full screen experience, no more address bar or distractions. It's immersive. Instant access, one tap from your home screen, and you're in. No tab clutter, keep your browser clean and focused. Offline access, access key information even without an internet connection. For cached data, so, what are you waiting for? Take control of your financial future today. Click the link in the description below to go to the WIN website and install WIN Lite. It's the smartest, fastest way to invest with Waanverse Investment Network. Join the winning team. Install WIN Lite now and let's build your wealth together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.